Okay, cookies, lots of cookies. And the back too. I do not like the look of that title. The duckling gets a cookie. Woo! Oops. Oops me. Okay. Hello, Scoot, Scoot, Scoot. May I have a cookie, please? Oh, thanks. Flap, flip, flap. Sorry. That was very nice of you. Oh, look, all those nuts. Hey. You remember me yet? Okay, I'll look at you. Hey, how did you get that cookie? I asked for it. You asked for it? Politely. Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yes. So you got a cookie with nuts just by asking? Politely. I ask for things all the time. Do you think it's cool? I ask to drive the bus. Do I ask for sweets? I do. I ask for a hot dog. What's this? Parties. It doesn't have to be a big bus. No, you know. I'll ask for a row of French fry robot every now and then. Right now, I'm asking why. I've asked for a what?
Walrus.
What?
Walrus.
Walrus. Why? Okay. Dada, he doesn't get it because he doesn't ask politely. Right? Oh, there's more. Or I'll ask for one more story. Sometimes I ask for a hug. I can't. What?
Count.
What?
Count.
Count the times I've asked for my own what? Personal.
Iceberg.
What?
Iceberg.
I asked to stay up late. Oh yeah. I'm the. Oh yeah, I'm the.
Asking is.
Asking what?
Asking is.
Asking S picture in the town. But do I get what I asked for? Why he's crying? What? Because he didn't get it. No! It's not fair. Ducklings get everything. Blap, blap, blap. Pigeon like cookies too, especially with nuts. Especially with nuts. Why did you get that cookie? So I could give it to you. And another thing. What? What did he say?
How about what?
How about what? You're giving that. You're giving me that cookie with nuts? With the nuts? That is so nice. Thank you very much. Chop. That is one cool duckling. Chop. Yes, sir. Bye. May I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts. Yum, yum, ooh, someone ate it. That's the end of the story.